Alright, so moving on with talking about linking. Another way to link is to link to an HTML file. So most websites are more than just one page. There's usually a series of pages, maybe like your home page, your contact, about us, whatever you got in there. You need to be able to link from one page to another. So that's your hypertext. That's linking from page to page to page. So that's one tag we have not talked about so far, and we're going to go ahead and put into our file here. So let's say maybe after the first paragraph that we have in here, and do a return and say click here. So maybe I want that to be a button. I want that to be able to link to, I don't know, let's say Google. Let me keep it really simple right now. So what I'm going to need to do is any kind of link is going to be called an A tag. The A tag stands for anchor tag, and it starts out with less than, just like all the other ones, and the letter A. I'm going to go ahead and close that out, and you can see it's just the A tag opening and closing there, but that's not telling me where to go. So kind of like the image tag, there's other parts to it that go within the A tag that will help it out. So within the A tag, I'm going to hit a space there, and majority of the time what you're going to be doing is the href. So I'm going to say, where am I actually going to link this to? And the letters are H, R-E-F, and what we do is we do an equal sign and a quote. So anything that goes in between the quote there is where we're going to link to. Now, just like the image that we just took a look at, you can do absolute links or relative links. And here's where it gets really important to understand the difference between the two. The relative link is going to be within your own website. So you could say link to aboutus.html or contactus.html, whatever. But let's say you wanted to link to an external website like we're going to do here. So we're going to link to Google. This is where it's very important to know the difference and how to type it out. So the absolute link, because we're leaving our website to go take a look at Google, is we're going to do the full URL, just like our image was up here with the HTTP. So Google will do HTTP : // and you can do the www or not do it, it doesn't really matter. Google.com. Alright, so as it stands right now, we do have a fully functioning click here link. Let's actually go ahead and take a look at it, just so I can prove it to you. Alright, I hit refresh there, and there's my click here. Now watch what happens. I'm in this tab right here, and I click here. Alright, so it went to Google, so I know it worked, but it's actually replacing the tab, leaving my website and going to Google. So now if I wanted to go back to my website to see that cute little kitty, I need to hit my back button. Now the problem with this is, you really don't want people leaving your website as a good rule of thumb. You'd want to open it up in a new tab. So that is an attribute that we put within our HTML text here. So let's come on back. So we've got our A href tag right there. And after the actual link itself, after that href reference, I'm going to hit space, and what we do is we say target. Not like the store, but like, what do we want to target? Do we want to target the same window, or do we want to open up a new window? So it's very easy to do. Just like the href, we say equals, do the quotes, and my program here actually comes up with all the different options. We will say, in this case, we'll say blank. We want to open up blank document when somebody hits click here. You can just as easily type that in. All you do is hit the underscore and the word blank. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to come back to my document, and I'm going to hit refresh here. And now if I hit click here, you'll see that I've got two tabs open. One went to Google, and the other one went to, or still has, my picture of my kitty in it. So that's the difference between the two, as I'm targeting a new window here, and I'm linking to an external link using an absolute link.